Hello everyone, a very good afternoon to one and all. So today we are going to do cotton swap painting technique. So I guess you must all be ready with all the materials which I had mentioned on my page. So these are the cotton buds which I told you. The cotton buds, a pack of cotton buds, okay. The tape, my favorite. Few brushes which I had told, okay. Pencil, eraser and ruler. So we'll start, we'll not waste time and we can start, okay. Those who have not joined me, they can join me. By the time people join me, I'll just do my sticking part, okay. Today you need acrylic color or watercolor, any of the things you can have. You can have this Rangila or demo watercolor, this one. Okay, before I start, I would just tell you one thing, guys. Those who are aware, I took class on this popsicle art, and there is a competition which is going on. It's till 10th, so you guys can take part, and the competition is still 10th 6 p.m. and it is open for age group 4 to 17 years. So guys, just let your kids enroll on this. It's free of cost. Take part, let their creativity come out, and the theme is Father's Day, okay. So you have to do something on this ice cream stick. These are ice cream sticks. The theme is Father's Day, okay. Father's Day theme, you have to do this. So these were some popsicle arts which to know about the popsicle art, how to go about, you can go and check on my page, you will find it, okay. See, these are some popsicle arts which I did and I taught, so you can go and check. So today we will do cotton swap painting, okay. What is cotton swap painting? Few details I'll tell you. It is a painting which is done using cotton buds. The cotton buds can be used in many ways, so this is one of the way to do the painting. So right now we'll start with my work. I'm just making a border. Okay. If you don't have this tape, just make a border with it with a pencil and ruler. As I've always told, paintings with border always look beautiful. So just go here. I'm not using it on my cloth because this I'm using on a canvas board and this will easily come out. So no, this is a 12 by 12 canvas, guys, okay. This is a 12 by 12 canvas. Viewers of my page, just see how I'm using the tape. I'm just making a border and I'll start my painting on top of this. Okay. I'll be using acrylic color, guys, because I love painting using acrylic colors. You guys can use watercolor, your wish. If you're doing it on paper, use watercolor, or else go for acrylic colors on canvas, okay. Now we'll just make a simple drawing, okay. Just take a pencil, make a simple drawing, 1/4 of this, okay, 1/4 of this. Just draw a straight line, okay. Just draw a straight line, 1/4 of this, okay. We are drawing a window. Guys, I forgot to mention, just if you have few embellishments like these are normal shells of pistachio, okay, pista, and these are some beads, okay. We'll use this on a painting to give a 3D effect. If you have it, just you can get those, keep it along with you, okay. You can make this thing a bit, okay, doesn't matter, थोड़ा सा बड़ा कर लीजिए आप इसको. I'm just increasing the size of the window, guys. I found it to be a bit, okay. It doesn't matter, once you paint it on this, the pencil mark doesn't matter, okay. See, now what we have to do, just a rough line from here, 4, 1, 2, 3, okay. This is a window, this is the sky part which we will be having, and this is the base one, okay. Window a bit long. We are extending the window, guys, okay. Guys, just extend the window. I'm sorry, I'm confused if I'm confusing you guys. Just increase the size of the window, okay. See, okay, this is the window, and this is the final drawing, and tree will be here somewhat. Okay, fine. Now we'll start the painting, okay. First of all, we'll start with the sky part, okay. For that you need acrylic color fabric, acrylic color light blue shade, darker blue shade, and white, okay. So we'll start with this. I'm using flash because I have it. If you're having any other fabric color like Fevicryl, you can use it. Just do it along with me. I'll just remove other stuff. First we'll do simple painting, and then I'll show you how to do cotton swab thing, okay. Just paint white over here. Guys, take blue color, light blue. Hello, good to see you. Hi Monica. Just merge this blue color with this. We don't have to do much dark, just simply a lighter part. Okay guys, see you have got shade. Okay, light and dark shade. little bit आप हल्का हल्का सा शेड और डाल सकते हो. Guys, those who are painting along with me, just make a sky, just a lighter part. Don't do it dark. We don't want a darker part, okay? Just make a base with white and light blue, okay? That's it. With white and light blue. We are making a base with white and light blue. Okay? Now next what we are going to do, we will be making this brick. Okay, what color we want here is brown color. If you guys have brown color directly, you can use it. If you don't have, then mix red and blue color and you will get the desired brown color. Okay, I have this flash brown color with me. I have both the shades, the lighter brown, this is ochre kind of a color, and the darker shade of brown. So I'll be using directly the colors. If you don't have it, if you guys are having if you don't have the color, you can watercolor. Guys, they'll be having brown color. Okay, just use this. And the people who are using acrylic color, if you don't have it, just mix red and blue in equal proportion. Guys, I'm making it easy for those who are first time painting, first time using the brush. I'm teaching in a very simpler form, in a very easy and a quick form. So this will help you guys. Those who are good at painting, they can also do this. They can give more shading. But for those who are first comers, just try this art, this type of art, and your way to go. You can easily do it. You'll get confidence day by day. Just put this first. I've put the light brown color. Okay, both sides I'll put. Guys, just see. Okay, now just take a brush. Just dip this in water, otherwise it will dry. Okay. Now just take a brush, okay, dip in water. Use this brown color. I'm directly using the colors, guys. Just take a brush, okay, just mix it. Just mix it. Okay, give a brick look. Okay guys, just see what I'm doing. I'm just mixing it. Okay, I'm just giving it a shade. Okay, can you see? I'm just giving a shade. I'm just making bricks. It's very simple. Just create brown lines first. Make a base using light brown. I told you how to make light brown. If you guys have, then you can use it directly. If you don't have, just mix red and blue. You'll get desired brown color. The base you can create using white color. Put white on that and you will get this desired light brown shade. Okay, today I'm using little bit of water guys, because this is little, the painting is okay guys, is this clear? See, did you get this brick look? Okay, similarly we'll be doing it here. Just dab 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 dab. Okay, guys, acrylic colors dries out pretty fast, so I'm doing it simultaneously. Okay, hi everyone, those who have joined me. Hi Rakhi, how are you? Thanks for joining me live. Just check it out. If you guys are not having your material stuff, still you guys can join me live. Okay, just watch me doing it. Hi to everyone, those who have joined me now. I hope people are able to understand what I am trying to say. Okay, okay, these are the brick patterns. Okay, Guys, I said it again, if you don't have the shade, just make it using red and blue. Brown color is easily made, but generally these days we get ready-made colors to make work of painters like us easy. So see guys how beautiful the shades have come. Okay, similarly we'll do it some here also. So guys, is this clear? I hope it's clear to you all. Okay, I'll just close my color. Okay, just clean your brush. Guys, take black color now. Okay, guys, take black color. I'm taking Fevicryl black color. Okay, just little bit. And don't do on the upper part, do it on the lower part. Okay, just little. Why we are not doing right now on the upper part, I'll tell you later. Just this. Okay, now guys, I'll also have to make gray shade. Okay, I'll have to make a gray shade, so I'll mix white and black, as I also don't have. So just mix black with white. I hope it's visible to you all. Okay, guys, right now we are just making base. We'll be coming up to cotton swab technique very soon, but for this first we need to create a base. So it's only I'm right now, just take your flat brush again. Okay, just mix, just mix these two. Now take plain white color and just plain put it over here. Forgot to mention one thing. Just leave this part, okay? Little bit. Just generously put white color. Okay. Now take gray. Just give this patchy look, guys. See? Okay. Just dab it with your brush. We'll leave it messy like this, okay? We'll leave it messy like this, okay? I'll tell you what to do later on. Just leave it messy. Okay guys, now this is time. We'll start with our this thing first. Now just take dark green shade or darker green shade, okay, and just put it here. Just create a base. In a rounder form. See, जैसे अपने पेड़ की डली होती है ना, now guys, what we are going to do, we'll paint this, okay? Just turn your canvas upside down or your paper, whatever it is. Just turn it this way, okay? Guys, take light blue shade, just paint it on the panel directly, okay? Guys, I am showing in a very easy and simple technique, okay? Shading part I'll show it to you, but right now just paint it. The cotton swab technique will be just done after this, so I am just showing you how to use acrylic colors also on base, okay? Now what we have to do is use blue color, okay? Now just remember one thing, your painting is upside down, so your stroke should be downwards, okay? Just remember आपने दरवाज़ा कहाँ कहाँ बनाया है, okay? Hi Richa, hi Rima, hi Shelly. Hello everyone. Thanks for watching me live. Just see, the outcome will be very beautiful. Okay, just paint. We have to just give few looks, okay? Guys, just see, I am doing it upside down. Okay, ये ध्यान रखिएगा बिकॉज आप पेंटिंग को उल्टा रखे हुए हो. Just take the darker blue. Guys, we are done. We'll leave it like this. Okay, simply I have just made strokes. Okay, just see, I've just made strokes. I've not done anything. I have just made strokes. Okay guys, now be ready with your cotton buds. Just turn it upside. I'll just wait for people who are still doing it. Thanks, Richa. Abhi, it's just a base which we have created. Abhi, it's still way to go. Just watch me. Okay. One more thing, guys, I just forgot. Just create this also. This is a tree stem which is coming out. Guys, I hope this is clear. I'm just creating the stem, guys. Okay. I hope it is visible. Just leave it till here, guys, and then we'll start. Let it dry, as acrylic colors take hardly few minutes to dry. So we'll be ready with our cotton buds now. Okay. Just be ready with your cotton buds. Guys, before doing that, we have to create a base. Otherwise, on top of that, you won't be able to do anything. So I won't do much talking guys because you have to concentrate on this. Just do dapping guys because the color नीचे, just do dapping because नीचे का color अभी dry नहीं हुआ है. If you do dapping तो वो mix नहीं होगा. Finally I'm done. So these are the cotton buds which we are going to take guys. Okay, इधर का part dry हो गया है, so we can start. Just take your cotton buds, okay, and cut it into 2 pieces because while dipping आपको problem होगी, तो just cut it into 2 pieces. See, okay, make smaller pieces. First I'll be doing something over here, just watch me first and then you do. Okay, I'll make a shade of pink, light pink and red. Okay, 3 colors. If you guys don't have these colors, just make it, mix white, you will get it. You will get the desired color. Okay, what we are going to do, just take your cotton bud, dip it generously, take enough amount and just do it like this. See guys, can you see? I just made this. Okay, keep this with you. Take a plate and keep it. Okay, you will need this again. Now take a shade of light pink. Take generous amount guys, see, generous amount. You and just put it along. Don't mix it, आपको बस इसके आगे आगे ऐसे लगाना है. See, this was the reason why we created a base. And acrylic color के ऊपर, अगर acrylic color सूख जाता है, उसके ऊपर आप ये करते हो तो color mix नहीं होती है. This is the best part of acrylic color. Okay, see, okay, now we'll also keep this. Now we'll take red color. गाइज, आप केवल ये फ्लावर से भी आप अपना काम कर सकते हो. इट विल लुक ब्यूटिफुल. नाउ टेक द लाइटर कलर एंड जस्ट this is the way it has to come. Okay, now take red color and do it like this. Okay, similarly we'll make another flower like this. You can wipe it off here, your cotton, this thing. यू कैन डू वन थिंग गाइज, अगर आपका वाटर कलर आप यूज़ कर रहे हो तो जस्ट मेक सर्कल्स जहाँ पे आपको ये रोजेस बनाने हैं एंड लीव दोज पार्ट एंड कलर द रेस्ट पार्ट, ताकि जब आप मिक्सिंग करो तो वो एक दूसरे के ऊपर कलर चढ़े नहीं. ओके, दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द टिप. Okay, is this visible to you guys? Now just take this. Okay, this is easy way of making flowers. I'll show you more of this kind. Keep going. We'll make one more here. Just watch me guys and आपको समझ में आएगा मैं क्या कर रही हूँ. आपको कलर्स अच्छे से डालने हैं गाइस, तभी ये इसका ये लुक आएगा. आप जितना अच्छा से कलर डालोगे उतना अच्छा आपका मिक्सिंग होगा एंड उतना अच्छा लुक आएगा. एंड दिस विल टेक टाइम इन ड्राइंग एज ये कलर हम मिक्स नहीं कर रहे हैं, सो दिस विल डेफिनेटली टेक टाइम इन ड्राइंग आउट. आप अगर वाटर कलर यूज़ कर रहे हो तो पुट अ थिक लेयर ऑफ कलर्स. ओके, I'll just keep all my 3 buds aside. This will be of some help. Okay, you can use it. Now take the lighter part again and just dip it here. Guys, I hope it's clear. Just see what I'm doing. Just dip. This is another cotton swab painting technique. Okay, that was one technique of making flowers and this is one technique of making flowers. Okay, just make it. Now take the pink one. गाइस सी, आप ध्यान नहीं दोगे तो कलर लगेगा आपके ऊपर. See guys, it's coming out so beautifully. Can you see? Guys, it's a very easy way, and even if you're not an artist, you can easily try it out. It looks beautifully. आप आराम से पेंटिंग बना सकते हो ये टेक्निक यूज़ करके. Okay, now we'll take light green color. More of cotton bud. Okay. AJ. Take this, okay. Guys, just see. अगर आपके कॉटन में कलर लग जाए दूसरा, जस्ट okay, just keep this aside. Similarly, we have to do this part also. We'll mix colors guys, okay. यहाँ पे मैं थोड़े से फ्लावर्स बनाऊंगी, ऑरेंज येलो के. I'll take cotton bud. Just cut them into pieces. Just cover this thing. Take yellow. Okay. Guys, don't mix water over here. Okay, and take orange. I have वो वाला कलर मेरा थोड़ा सूख गया था गाइस. सी ओके, जस्ट हैव अ प्लेट विथ यू गाइस. आप इधर उधर कलर मत रखिएगा क्योंकि एक्रेलिक कलर है, सूखने के बाद डिफ़िकल्टी होती है निकलने में. प्लीज़ कीप अ प्लेट विथ यू. I hope you're liking what I'm doing, guys. Okay, see this type. You have to create a garden like this, okay, below. एंड यहाँ पे हम वापस वही अपना मिक्स कलर कर सकते हैं, या तो आप 1 शेड दो या तो आप 2-3 शेड्स का दे सकते हो. आई विल पिंक एंड दिस एंड आई विल पुट ऑरेंज एंड येलो एज वेल. ओके, जस्ट हैव अ लुक. आप ब्लू का भी शेड दे सकते हो गाइस. अगर आपके पास ब्लू का है तो आप ब्लू का भी शेड दे सकते हो, ब्लू एंड लाइट ब्लू. दैट ऑल्सो लुक्स ब्यूटिफुल. Hi guys, I hope this is clear. Just take orange color. Okay guys, is this clear? See, you can create this type of thing. You can have more of pink and this thing. You simply have to dab using your cotton buds, and you have to create these leaves effect. Okay, it is just as simple as it. I just mixed 2 of the flowers. You can mix more, but 2 looks okay. Don't mix more. Okay. Thank you, Ankit. Just watch this. We can have few of the flowers over here like this. Guys, just wait to watch. The outcome will be very beautiful. This is still not done. The outcome will be very beautiful. Just wait. Guys, I'm not talking much because I want to finish it and show it to you, the final outcome of this painting. So just watch me doing it. Okay. Guys, just finish this off like this, okay? And just paint it. Don't waste your colors, so you can just simply dab it here. Okay. You can have one more here. That's fine, that's fine. I hope it's clear to you guys how to use the cotton buds. Okay, we can create petals, and we can easily create this kind of art. You can just draw few. Just I'll create one over here. Guys, we are almost done. Just wait for 10 minutes more. I'll show you. We have to use few of our embellishments. I'll just show you how to use it. Guys, this is a very colorful painting. I just love doing it. आप करोगे, आप try करना ये art, you will love it and मज़ा आएगा आपको करने में. Just try this art out and you will definitely love it. Just fill this up branches if you want to have it full of colors. Okay, so guys, this is all what I wanted to show you. Just wait for a few seconds. How to use the embellishments, I'll just show you. Few black color work is left. I'll just tell you how to do it. Just take a thin this thing, green color. Just take dark green color. Take dark green color. Okay. Just draw a line. I hope this was clear to you guys. Okay. Now just take your brush pen, your paint brush, and a thinner one. Thin brushes. Take thinner brush, a thinner one. Okay. Just close all your colors, guys. Just leave it like this for some time. Okay. I'll just take brown. Take brown color and black color, guys. Brown and black. Okay. This is my black color and my brown color is here. You just need to work out on few things. First, I'll just the light brown color. Guys, just use your black color. Okay, now it's final time to give the final touch. Just keep everything aside. I'm just tilting it a bit, okay? Okay, just give it a rough look. गाइस, आपको थोड़ा सा शेडिंग देना होगा, दैट्स इट. ओके, नाउ सिमिलरली आप अपना ये जो पेड़ हमने बनाया था इसको हम थोड़ा सा लुक देंगे. जो हमने रिमेनिंग यहाँ जो छोड़ा था वहाँ पे थोड़ा थोड़ा सा आप ब्लैक से अपना जो शेडिंग बाकी था वो आप दे सकते हो. कहीं कहीं पे दाल में आप खाली कहीं कहीं पे आप बस ये गाइस जस्ट सी द इफेक्ट ऑफ ब्लैक कलर इज़ सो ब्यूटिफुल. एंड में हम जो देते हैं इफेक्ट उसी से इफेक्ट आता है. Guys, the painting is almost done. Embellishments, what I was talking about, I have these. I'll just make few birds. Just take Fevicol in your hand. Okay guys, one more thing, आपके पास ये जो कलर है गोल्डन एंड ये भी आप यूज़ कर सकते हो. सिंपली विंडो पैनल पे to give it a glossy effect. Okay, see. Okay, now just take Fevicol, हल्का हल्का सा सेंटर पे डालिए. ओके, एंड जस्ट टेक दीज बीड्स and stick. गाइज अभी कलर सूखा नहीं है, आप ये सब चीज़ बाद में भी कर सकते हो, एक बार जब कलर सूख जाए तब। ठीक है, अभी आपको दिखाने के लिए मैं कर दे रही हूँ। आपका जब ये प्रोजेक्ट सूख जाए तब एंड में आप इसको चिपकाइए। अभी मेरा ये कितना सूखेगा आई डोंट नो, अगर नहीं सूखा आई जस्ट स्टिक इट अगेन, बट आप ये काम आप जब आपका प्रोजेक्ट ख़त्म हो जाए तब करिए। ओके, so this painting is way to go to be stuck, to be hung on your wall. This is pretty, I hope you guys liked it, and this will pretty good and ready to be hung on wall. Just take few this thing, this will hang. I just want few birds on my painting, so trying to do this. सब nut shells तो ये पिस्ता shells का art you must be knowing how to draw. So that's it. Okay, just use your paintbrush, just paint it. Which ones? Black. You can have few sitting here. Okay, so this is all. थोड़ा लाइट शेड करके देंगे तो ये ज़्यादा सुंदर दिखेंगे। So this is it, my painting is almost done, guys. I'll just remove everything. I don't know if this pista sun is stuck or not. So this is it, guys. The painting is almost over. Okay, I'll just remove this and show it to you. I hope you understood what cotton swab painting technique is all about. See guys, using tape, how beautiful the guys, the painting is over. This is what we did today. I hope you all like it, and do share my page, like my page, and stay tuned for more such art. So hello guys, this is what we did today, the cotton swap painting. I hope you guys liked it. These are the flowers, beautiful flowers. This is the gate of a house, and these are the shades. Okay, I hope you guys liked it. Thank you for joining me live, and I hope I'll come back soon with more such activities. So stay tuned and enjoy painting, enjoy crafting. Bye.